The landmark case of People v. Genosa, Marivic Genosa stood trial for the killing of her husband, a crime classified as parricide. The case drew national attention due to the circumstances surrounding the incident. Genosa had endured years of abuse at the hands of her husband, which ultimately led to the tragic event. The prosecution argued for a strict application of the law, while the defense highlighted the psychological toll of prolonged domestic violence. This case set the stage for a deeper legal discussion about the effects of abuse on victims and how the law should respond to such complex situations. As the trial progressed, the Supreme Court was faced with the challenge of balancing justice with compassion. When the case reached the Supreme Court, the justices carefully examined whether Marivic Genosa could claim complete self-defense. They concluded that Battered Woman Syndrome, while a significant psychological condition, could not fully justify her actions as self-defense. This was because there was no actual or imminent unlawful aggression from her husband at the exact moment of the killing. However, the court did not ignore the reality of her suffering. Instead, it recognized Battered Woman Syndrome as a novel and important psychological state that affected her judgment and actions. This acknowledgement marked a turning point in the legal treatment of battered women in the Philippines. Though the Supreme Court did not acquit Genosa on the grounds of self-defense, it took a compassionate approach by reducing her penalty. The court applied mitigating circumstances under Article 13, paragraphs 9 and 10 of the Revised Penal Code. These included passion and obfuscation as well as illness that diminished her willpower. By doing so, the court acknowledged that Genosa's mental and emotional state, shaped by years of abuse, lessened her culpability. This decision not only impacted Genosa's fate but also set a precedent for future cases involving battered women, emphasizing the need for the legal system to consider psychological factors in criminal liability.